Task. There are opportunities for promotion. Presented by Carolina Gomez Usuga, Semester 3, Bachelor in English. Flower legs. The world's most revolutionary electric razor, white with 18-karat gold-plated heads, adapts to every curve. You no longer have to worry about spending hours removing tooth unwanted hairs. With this tool, you achieve a faster shaving than with other methods on the market. Removing your ears has never been so easy. It contains 4 blades that do not hurt your skin, do not cause irritation to your skin. Only with circular and gentle movements you will achieve the smoothest skin. The integrated LED lights make you have more visibility to see those little hair. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery makes it wireless and you can take it anywhere. Thank you very much.